Today I'm going to show you my homemade kids motocross track. Pretty cool. Kids love it, ages 5 and 8, and they shred their 50s around here, so you can see what you can do with a little time, shovel, pick, rake. So check it out. So here we go, we've got the first section over here. You can split right for a short berm, or we can take the long way around. Made a couple little berms right here. And this back stretch. Nice little berm over here. There's a quick straightaway into a little S turn. And then this is the fastest part of the track. This is a long straightaway, about, I don't know, I'd say 75 yards. And here's the split of the other turn. So this part we got a little jump in, little tiny whoops as we go through here. We got a nice little kicker, throws them up a little bit, and of course you can bypass it. Now we go through the single track section. This also splits from another area, so you can actually do the track in a couple configurations. Little narrow rocky section. And we come up here and we can do a split again. We can go up around this berm between the trees. Or we can cut through this area. It's another straight with a little tiny jump right there. Now you can choose to do that, or you can go down this way. We call this the technical section. A little training for single track on this berm. Go up this side, little kicker. And of course you can see right next to it, the other track runs alongside it. Now if you're down here, you have to go to where we started, or up here, you can take this turn to go back to the other side for a short loop. This part's pretty fast and fun. And as you come around, that is the full loop of the track. So get your picks out, your shovels out, your rakes, and build your kids a cool track.